Did you see how pretty that was with the lights? It's not Christmas lights. It's the business next door. Their lights kind of change through this rainbow cycle. It's really cool. Plus, it was raining really hard last night. And when I walked over to make sure everything was locked up, all the lights were reflecting off of the puddles, off of that big panel van out front. So it looked really cool. And I want to take a look at a little bit more of that. So, boop. Okay, enough of that. Back to the vlog. I had to sit in the office all day because it's still mucky and rainy outside. So I sat in the office all day and I was like, what should I do? So I did a little doodle drawing, pencil sketch, whatever you want to call it. But it's with pencil on white paper. Check it out. It's Halloween themed. This face, I think I did pretty good, but check it out. Boop. Not too planned out on that one. I kind of went random, but I did want to draw Frankenstein. So the end result was what I wanted to start drawing. So I kind of had an idea of what I wanted. Plus, Frankenstein is like iconic, square head, bolts in the neck. Anything else just is whatever you want it to be. But work's over now. I'm closing up. I am going to head to Hastings, probably get the last little bit that I can before Hastings closes up completely. Oh, I hate that, but that's where I got most of my fun nerdiness. I'll just have to buy online now. But I don't know what else I'm doing today. This is probably a long enough vlog. If I do anything super fun, I'll add it in, but if not, I will see you guys tomorrow.